Viewers, it's an important day in Tamil Nadu politics. There is a meeting that is happening in Chennai, and that meeting is being hosted by TVK. Vijay, the Chief Minister, has reached the venue for key alliance meeting. It's a crucial post-poll meeting with all the alliance partners. You've got VCK, MDMK and IUML in attendance. Now, the Chief Minister has also arrived for the meeting, and those are the first set of visuals that we are getting for you at this point in time. Let me straight away go across to my colleague Dharini, joining us live right now for more on this. Dharini, the crucial meeting has started. You've got the visuals of Chief Minister Vijay also arriving at the meeting venue.
Well, we've got the visuals of Chief Minister Vijay from the private resort here in Kovalam, where the ally meet is currently underway. In fact, we're also reporting from in front of that particular resort. But as far as these visuals are concerned, we can see Chief Minister Vijay, walking with his security personnel, and he's also being accompanied by TVK's General Secretaries Adu Arjuna, Yan Anand, etc. So the second line leaders of TVK, they're also accompanying Chief Minister Vijay inside this particular resort. That is what we can see in this visual. In fact, this visual was taken when he was on the way to the meeting venue inside the resort, is what we're learning at this point in time. This is the first set of visual that we've got from inside the resort, in which Chief Minister Vijay can be seen. So this meet can be expected to go on for the next 2 hours. So right now the meeting is underway, and four crucial regional parties here in Tamil Nadu, they've taken part in this meeting. This includes the IUML, MDMK, Congress and the Vidudalai Chirthagal Katchi. All of them have at least 2 MLAs each in the Tamil Nadu Assembly. The Congress in fact has 5 MLAs, and their support is very, very crucial for the TVK to complete its 5-year term, because TVK by itself at the moment doesn't have the required magic number. So TVK will have to depend on allies like these parties to run its governments for the time being. So the support of these parties is very, very crucial for the TVK, and that is why during this meeting, all of them together, they will be discussing their next course of action, the political strategies that need to be put in place to win big in the upcoming local body elections and also the upcoming by-polls.
Thank you very much, Dharini, for the moment, for joining us with your inputs on the story. So this meeting is going to go on at least for 2 hours. It'll be interesting to see